Hi, to insert two SIM cards in your Samsung Galaxy A16, firstly we would need to take this tool, which is called ejector, and it goes in a complect with the device. But if you lost it, don't worry, this is a really cheap tool, you can find it almost everywhere. Or instead of this one, you can use pin or needle to open the SIM slot, but be really careful because you may damage the slot. Now let's find it. So the SIM tray is located on the left side of your phone, and you can see this little hole in it. So take your ejector, place it in this little hole, then slightly press till this slot will pop up like that. And now you should remove it with the help of your nails. So this is how the SIM tray looks from one side, from another. And as you can see, we got the space for the first SIM card right here and for the second. But we can insert not only second SIM card but MicroSD card. Or if you want to insert second SIM card, you need to remove your MicroSD card first and then insert your second SIM card. Now let's try to do this. So I'm gonna take my first SIM card, and you can see this rounded corner here, right? And here as well, so we'll need to match those corners and place it in the right position so it will just like click and be secured in this place. Let me try to do this, and yep, as you can see now it is secured and won't fall out. So we can take our second SIM card and do the same thing basically. So hold it like that with rounded corner on the bottom and place it in your SIM tray, and then press it a bit so it will click and won't fall out. So this is how it should look on one side and on another. Now this hole should be on top like in your SIM tray, and simply put it back in this position and close the tray completely. Now we need to unlock the phone, check SIM card connection. So here you can see this display to set up your SIM card. So you can see SIM card number 1 and SIM card number 2. We can tap next and choose preferred for calls. For example, I'm gonna select my second one, and let's tap next and do the same for messages. Here I'm gonna switch to the first and then tap next and choose preferred SIM for mobile data. Let's tap done, and this is how the display should look now. You can check information about the second SIM card, edit its name and icon, and do the same for the first SIM card. And here you can always switch to another SIM card in the preferred list. And after that, just tap done button. And also in the upper right corner, you should see those two signal bars, meaning that SIM cards was inserted correctly. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.